true inclusion, it needs understanding, it needs acceptance. At the same time, it needs action. So, in order for us to act on this, we have to dispose something. Dispose stereotyping. We have to dismantle a system that promotes discrimination and hate among this type of people. So how can we do this? I would agree with what Miss Mary have said a while ago, is to create a safe space for them that honors how they feel, how they think, and of course, how they communicate to each and every one of us. Awareness should start with an empathy-driven change. So when we say empathy-driven change, the battle cry of autism and neurodivergent persons is a strong support system. So with this, when we have a strong support system, it offers a space where these persons with abilities and families can share their experience without fear of judgment. Because that is the most common, especially for the families.